Let me quickly show you the way that you can create a Signal group. If you want to chat with a lot of people and create a group inside of Signal, it's going to be a straightforward process. So the way that you do it is open up the app of Signal, and on the bottom which says get started, you'll have the option called new group. If you don't see this option right here, you can tap on the pencil icon right here, and then you'll see the option called new group. This way you'll be able to pick from all of this list that you have inside of your Signal app. You can just tap on individual people that you're trying to add inside of group. Signal allows up to 1000 people to be added inside of a particular group. Now, if you don't want this, you can also avoid this to add people inside of group straight away. You can also do that process later by tapping on the skip option on the bottom right. This way is going to take you to the section of naming this group. You can name it whatever you want, and also you can turn on or turn off disappearing messages if you want to have that feature. And it says right here you can add or invite friends after creating this group. You can tap on create on the bottom right, and there you go, your group now has been created. Pop-up menu will open up which says require admin approvals. Because you just created this group, you are going to be the new admin. You can, if you want to toggle this option on, you can do that. This way any person joining this group will need your approval. And now once your group is created, you can start adding in people by tapping on the three dotted line on the top right. Tap on group settings, and then you can add in members from this section. You can also tap on invite friends option and then share this link so that other people can easily join. So that's the way that you create groups inside of Signal. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you are interested in more videos just like this. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.